Hey guys, in this video I'm going to talk to you about how to make money on YouTube, and it's probably not the way that you hear most people talking about. So normally when you hear people talking about how they make money on YouTube, it has to do with getting so many views and getting paid based on the amount of views that they have. And while that works and a lot of people make a lot of money from that, I'm going to show you a way that's much easier. And it's a way that I've been making a full-time living since 2013, providing for my family of 6. And that's called affiliate marketing. And if you're not familiar with what affiliate marketing is it's promoting products and services for other people, and in return you get commission paid on your referrals. So it's kind of like an online salesman. And what I do is I do it through YouTube or through video advertising. And this can be from video reviews on demos and tutorials, or just finding a problem that somebody has and then finding a solution for it through a product and recommending that product in a video that I make on YouTube. So let me give you a quick example here how all this works. So let's say we're on YouTube and someone's looking to buy a new vacuum cleaner. So we're going to go here and we're going to type in I don't know, best vacuum cleaners. Okay, and we can see here there are a list of a lot of people who are talking about vacuum cleaners. Now, these people aren't just talking about vacuum cleaners just for the heck of it, all right? They're going to get something out of it. And most of these people are affiliate marketers. So let's just click on this first video.
Did you know that high blood sugar and diabetes symptoms have...
Okay, we're going to skip the video ad there. But if we scroll underneath the video, you're going to see that they have a bunch of links down here. And what these links are affiliate links that are going to redirect you, if you click on it, to a place where you can buy that vacuum cleaner. Now, each of these affiliate links is a special link that's tied to your own ID that you set up with the company when you set up your affiliate account with them. So when someone clicks on a link, goes to this place and buys a vacuum cleaner, they can track it back to your link, that's the link they clicked on, and they're going to give you commission for it. Now, these commissions can range widely. A lot of these online stores may pay you anywhere from 2 to 3% commissions. Amazon 4, 5, 6% commissions, maybe a little more. Upwards to promoting digital products like I do with companies like clickbank.com, where you can get paid as much as 75% commissions for referring people to buy particular products. And so if we look at this for an example, you're going to see for the Dyson ball vacuum cleaner, if we are to click on this link, it is going to redirect us to walmart.com. And if we follow this link up here in the address bar to the end, you're going to see the very end of it has WMLS partner equals bizrate.com. Now, bizrate.com is the affiliate ID of the person who owns this video. And add this to my cart and buy it. Walmart would know that it got sent to me, that I was the one that referred them, and so they would pay me the commissions for it, which is awesome. Okay, so that's what affiliate marketing is. You're basically making videos such as reviews, tutorials, demos, or providing a solution for a problem, getting people to click on the links to go to the product you're recommending and to purchase it, and you're going to earn commissions for it. Now, while this may seem like a complicated process, it's actually very simple. In fact, I've created a complete course that details step by step how to do this from beginning to end. It's very good for complete beginners who's never done this before, or even for experienced marketers. It has strategies and tactics in there that you're going to learn how to rank your videos in both YouTube and Google, and to focus on buyer intent keywords that will allow you to get much higher conversion rates with your affiliate promotions that you do. I also go over a lot of other things. I'll just go here to the website. It's called affiliatetuber.com, and that link's also directly under the video. And if you scroll down on this page, you're going to find all kinds of information about it. It's going to go over and explain to you what's in the course, every video that's in the course, and there's even a demo video on this page if you scroll down where you're going to learn some really cool stuff about using YouTube thumbnails that you probably did not know. So if nothing else, go there and check that out and watch that video because it's got some good information on it. But this is how I make a full-time living, is through affiliate marketing, where I have a couple of my own products out, such as Affiliate Tuber that I sell. But most of my business is made through affiliate marketing, where I sell other products and services for other people and companies. So this is how I make my living on YouTube. And I think this is a great way to make money on YouTube for anyone, even if you've never done it before. So check out my course if you're interested. And also don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to be putting out a lot more videos related to affiliate marketing, where you guys can dig deeper into it and find out more about how it works and how you can make a full-time living from YouTube also.